Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about debugging. Debugging and finding error is one of most important part in Android and really complex for beginners. So how to find error and how to debug your code. So basically, let me suppose I have this example that we already developed in a previous video that has one button, one label, and in the code you access into setting label, and on the button click you set the label as you said before. Think about I have here integer x equal 0, whatever, 0 or 10, and you want to set x to the text field, which is not allowed because this one set text have to be text. You cannot add integer. Let me run and see what's going on and what the error that we will have it. And you will see this type of error a lot while you are working. So you have to be comfortable with this type of error to find it and solve it. So let me show you. Wait a second and see what's going on. So I know you will feel happy when we solve this problem. So now look, if I click on the button, I have to have error. See, calculators has stop. There is no error, just stop it, and that is. And this is the problem of emulators. If I just go to look cat, see, you have something about error. Look for the error here. If you see, you cannot understand this one could not execute method, but if you see here, go to the this blue color directory, click on it, he will take you to the line number, line 25. If you don't see line number here, in Mac click Command Shift A, and in Windows click Control Shift A, and look for line number, this one, and if it's off, make it on, so you would see the line number. So you see, he say, hey, there's a problem in this line, but what is this a problem? If you look here, just scan it, you see here, cased by, that means the reason for the error. Cased by Android resource string resource ID. So just think about it. You are setting text and text getting string and needs string, and you are setting integer. So this doesn't work. This one have to be string to solve this problem. So you have to do string dot value of x. Now it will work. Now when you pass x, you will not have any problem because this data type, how to fix it. So this is basically like how you find error. We'll talk now about more advanced error and how to find it and how to debug it. Let's wait a second and see what is going on. Here's it. Click now. See the number, no problem. Think about you divide 10 by 0, which is not allowed in math. But let me see what is going on when someone click on the button again. Is it give him error, and what the error, and how we could find the place of this error. That is it. Click again, he give you error, stop it. If you go here, go directly to the blue, click on it, you see cased by, divide by 0. You cannot divide by 0. It's really good if you have like integer x equal 5, integer y equal 10, integer z equal x plus y, and you just show up z. It is really good to add debug. Double click here and add debug and run it on this mode, debugging mode. So this is really interesting for anyone who want to execute his code step by step and try to find where is the error located. Here we go. He say, hey, you will be in debug mode. Okay, I'm agree. I will not force it. He say, hey, calculate force. If you want to force it, just click force. If you don't want, just wait until he will load. Now if I just click on this button, see he just do step by step. He will do debugging and he will show you all the values. You want to go step by step, make sure to click this one, step over. You will see, hey, x is 5 now y is 10, z equal x plus 5, and he'll show you all the values here, xy, and all the value, and here we show you when you move, he will show you the setting, which is great, and MC is very helpful if you want this type of work. So yes, here we're done, and thank you for watching.